Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Bear, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, the 2nd of April. Let's have a look at gold, which the bulls are really struggling with this one now. You've seen two sessions now where the market looked to be finding its feet again, looked to be gaining traction, but again got sold into. First of all was Friday, where the market failed at 1300. Again, that's a big long-term pivot line that is overhead resistance now. Yesterday's rally to 1297 failed and ended up forming a bear candle again. So the market is really putting sort of the outlook that would suggest we're going to have a test of this resistance, 1280 back to 1276. These are the key levels of support now. If this 1276 level is broken, that would confirm a big head and shoulders top pattern over the past 3 months, and that would not be positive in any way at all for the market. So the momentum indicators have slipped into a more sort of corrective configuration, although you could argue the RSI is sort of stabilizing to an extent. 37 was that where it reached in March before the rally set in, but sort of drifting more than sort of decisively negative. And you could argue that the MACD lines are similar to an extent, and the stochastics have sort of threatening to bottom. So there is this sort of air of uncertainty. I mean, if you look at the candlestick today, for example, it's basically a doji at the moment, very tight range. So little real direction that you've got today, but is that 1276 level of support gonna be able to survive? That's the question. You've got this trend of lower highs, lower lows. 60 on the RSI seems to be a limit on the hourly chart. MACD line struggling under neutral. So there are sort of downside moves that are preferred from this outlook, but at the moment we have still got this key support that is intact, and until it breaks, I don't think we can get overly bearish, because still got the longer term uptrend in play. But certainly, if you can take in the context of that recovery, a big head and shoulders top, which would comprise about half of that recovery, would not be encouraging. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.